As you can see over here, every single day with affiliate marketing, with only one system, I have ClickBank as well, MaxWeb. I'm promoting many different offers, private offers as well, Nutra, CPA. You can see over here with one of the systems, with affiliate marketing, faceless offer, without making any videos, with Google pay-per-click ads. I also use TikTok ads and Facebook ads. But in this case, Google pay-per-click ads. Basically text ads. We are targeting positive and negative keywords, different audiences. So as long as you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way, you'll be finally be able in 2025 to have these kind of results. As you can see over here, like look, even daily, 1,000 euros per day, or if you're even getting, let's say, 100 euros per day or 200 euros per day, that's almost 9,000 to 8,000 US dollars per month, just from one system, spending 20 to 30 minutes per day managing your ad campaign, as you can see over here, right? So if you're a beginner watching this video, yes, it's doable. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to create any websites yourself. You don't need any IT experience, right? All you have to do is connect with someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step in 2025 to set up those simple, easy system that will allow you to get at least sustainable, I don't know, 100 to 300 euros or more per day.